No idea.
Was that so hard? Harder than you can possibly look.
I'm gonna make some beef, chicken beef, maybe. I don't even know what kind of beef this is. We're hoping it's tender. And then we'll have, I don't know, more. Do a quick. I need some rice. Oh, just need that.
Maybe I should use a little bit more. That's probably not good.
Just oyster sauce.
Just
Just a little bit.
yes. Daddy, here's a question. What would happen if you squirted it on someone that is mostly nasty? I have no.
I got some garlic and onion, lots of that. And we're gonna take out some shrimp. How much shrimp? So much shrimp. Shrimp though. Don't see what's that. Jesus. It's cleaning up, right?
Why do you say yeah? When I call you, I ask you to come to me, bro. Are you cleaning or not? Let's go, man. It's taking a long time. You need to read too. Come on. Please. Thank you. What? You're all right.
Oh, I know.
I'll take this. Maybe this is too much. It's not too bad. Too much. Okay, I'm gonna do a little. This is a tender piece of pork, and it's gonna be good. I'm gonna cut this small pieces like that, and then we're gonna wrap this with some. Oh, should I make this? Well, we have rice and also do spring rolls too. I really want to. And TC likes this meat, this pork. Oh, I should use this. Dun, 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 dun. Do, 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 do. The shrimp, I'm gonna just cut them to small pieces.
Finish this book.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop.
Alexa, stop.
That was hopefully fast. That rice 12 minutes. This one, I'm gonna cut them small pieces. I haven't thawed yet, but I love the head, so. Wow, she finished the book in 15 minutes. Cool. How am I gonna do this? Oh yeah. Damn it. This is why I wanted the kitchen stuff from the camp. I don't have my pan. That's I like this. They might not like it as much, but I'm gonna use it. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the onions. I'm sure all my pots and pans. So I have some onions. I'm gonna have some onions with garlic. Oh, and I want some shallot as well. Garlic. I hope it's so good. We'll see. I like this.
Okay, tomorrow we're gonna finish this. Okay? Sound like a plan? And then go bring your jacket, put it upstairs in his room.
I'll be right back.
iPad, you mean Kindle?
I mean Kindle. Don't say that, man. She helped you earlier, bro.
What happened?
Matt said, how come I always help you, but you never help me? You just helped by cleaning the whole hallway because you were sleeping.
I'm getting the Kindle. And I'll be right back. Daddy, I have the hiccups.
Mm-hmm. You gotta shock yourself. Get rid of that.
Can I play Minecraft?
Are you gonna work on your escape room, Cece?
Yeah, you have to try breaking now without breaking anything.
No, I'm asking you, is that what you're gonna work on, or are you gonna do something different?
Oh yeah, I have this funny thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when you guys join and you don't get out by the time's over, then you get to the Tower of Doom.
I thought you told us that there's no escape.
I have a Tower of Doom.
Ooh.
So if you don't make it at the right time, then you will go to the Tower of Doom.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the Tower of Doom. I get so bad. And I bet no one is doing it.
I need to make a little caramel so right there's some color in this thing. Yeah, trying some Vietnamese dish, but I can't remember how to do it.
Dad, you have to try escaping. Your house?
Basic though,
Your
it's
house?
a little fish sauce. I think the kids are okay to eat fish sauce. I don't really know. I'll just add like a little drop or so just to introduce to them. But yeah, then we'll see. Experimentation. I think they're okay though with fish sauce because their mom probably. Let me see this. All my big pans are not with me. It's those tiny pans. Mm-hmm. Alright. I guess let's just gonna work with what we have. Oh, so that one goes in there. The first thing I'm gonna do is, and then also I'm gonna get some cut some cucumbers and lettuce on. Don't know if I have time. Let's see. 15 more minutes. Yeah, let's see. The first thing is we need some sugar. That's sugar. I'm gonna make this brown caramel basically. Start with that. Make it darker there. Maybe that's okay. Because the allulose not that sweet. Little like a drop of water. What should I use? What should I use? This one? I guess. That's a lot. And then I need oil. I might get the. What am I doing? A little bit more. It's okay, it'll melt anyway. I'm gonna cook this separately. So yeah, there you go. So that, and then this onion is one of these. I need another pan. Oh, I guess I can use that in here. And then I put that one. I'm gonna use. We'll see. I'm just kind of deciding as I go because I'm not really planning this out. I didn't plan it out that well. Okay, gonna make that brownish, and then a little fish sauce, mushroom seasoning, mushroom. Yeah. Oh.
Dude, are you cleaning up or building?
He's trying to decorate, right? What you doing? Man, you need to read first.
Matt, better time to read, huh?
I need oil. Oil. I'm going to cook this. After this goes in, when it turns brown. When this turns brown, like almost dark, then that means it's gonna make the meat brown and pretty. Might be enough. Better watch that. Good. There we go. It's almost. I want this color a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Oh, really burn. See that color? I think really sugar and salt, some water. Hang on, my hands are dirty. Shit. Color. Okay. Rice is done.
It's a trap house, I don't like it.
Oh wow. I know.
Then put in the trap.
Huh? What?
Beautiful step.
What?
Oh,
I did a good job?
your step.
The step?
What you said, where you did a bad job?
Oh, the one, the black trail? The black one? Well, yeah, but it could have been at a better angle. This needs to be like, I need to do research on this. This is not right. I need some salt. A little salt. There. And I need a little bit of fish sauce, soy sauce. I'm not doing something right. I might have burned the head so that it could be crispy, but it didn't work out. I need a bigger pan. And this is not cooking. This looks like it's an unsuccessful dish. What's going on? I really need those pan, baby. You hear me? Because all these small pans take forever to cook. Ah. Let me start this taste. Now I can't taste these because it's... Ooh. Wow, this fire knot is so weak. So bad. I was supposed to put fish sauce and soy. I have no idea. This is not happy with this dish. I'm not happy. Look, it's not even like getting hot. So mad. I need. Where's the fish sauce? I swear. Oh, here. You need this. Something's wrong with this pan. Like, seriously. Black pepper. I need some black pepper. That is not what I had in my mind.
Mountain Mama, take me home.
Alexa, there's a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Let me see. Black pepper. Oh. I'm not happy. Not happy, not happy. How do I do that? There's a lot of sugar and a lot more fish sauce, I think. Maybe we need more fish sauce. This is like Americanized Asian flavor. And also you're supposed to use the really fatty pork, which I don't have right now. Okay. I guess, I mean, this is not really a good thing. I'm supposed to use a bigger pan so there's more heat and less steaming. Oh well, it is what it is, I guess. Dun 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 dun. Oh well, let's see how this is. Actually, I kind of want that here. Not too hot yet. The blood. The blood thing. So, usually when this is done, the beef's going to be done soon. I flavored it, and we're just going to eat it like that. Yes, with rice. Not happy. Make it brownish a little bit, and then I'm gonna add butter, and then that, and then hopefully this is a good beef. I have no more time. Running out of time. Okay, I guess that's done. And that's done. I was gonna put it back here. Okay, clean up. I gotta try some cucumbers. Let's see how this tastes. If only I was so as crispy. Oh well. I'm gonna make this dish again, but do a better job. Pieces, no, it's not like good because the pan is too small. So it steams instead, you know, that's not what I want. Let me try this. Still good.